What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a border around your image. So I'm in a program called Gimp. It's basically just like Photoshop, but it's absolutely free. I'll try to remember to leave a link down below so you guys can download it if you don't already have it downloaded. Now, before I get into the video here, I'm just going to assume that you already know how to add images to Gimp. I'm going to assume that you've already added a new image here. So if you're trying to make a thumbnail like I am here, I'm going to use this image for the thumbnail for this video. So if you're making a YouTube video and you're making a YouTube thumbnail, make sure the width is set to 1920 and the height by 1080, and you'll have a perfect sized thumbnail there. All right, so I'm gonna go back here. So I'm gonna add a black background here. I'm just gonna add it here just for contrast because I'm going to be adding a white border to this image. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you're clicked on the image here. And what you're going to do is you're going to right click on that layer and you're going to do alpha to selection. So that will make a selection around this image. Now the image that you import, you want to make sure is a PNG image or a transparent image, so there's no background behind this image. You want it to be a transparent image. So the second thing you want to do is you want to add a new layer down here at the bottom. Everything should be the same. You want to make sure fill width is transparent and not white or anything. So click OK, and then you want to be selected on that new image. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to select, grow. Whoops, that's not grow. Select, grow, and for this I'll just do 10 just to show you guys. Usually I do like 5 or so, but for this example I'll do 10. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the bucket tool here, and you want to select a color. I'm going to do white just because it'll make a nice contrast for black and white. So I'll just select white and fill. So now because this layer is on top, what you want to do is you want to move the new layer below your image. Boom. And it creates the perfect outline for your image. Now I'll go select none just so nothing is selected so you guys can see it there. So that's what it'll look like. You can change the background and everything, obviously, add your text and all that. Now what I like to do to clean up my layers here is I just like to move it down. So if you select the top layer and you merge it down, it will make the outline and that image one image. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. You can also join my Discord and you can DM me directly there if you have further questions. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.